What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Rematch, but the Elite Edition on your PC. So this is the biggest upgraded edition you can get of the game Rematch. So what we will do, we will search up the game quickly on Steam and then we can proceed to another website to download this game. Now go to the Steam website and we will quickly search up the game Rematch. Select the website. After that, go to the search bar and type in Rematch. Now you can select the game and after that scroll a little bit down and you will find out that this Elite Edition is very expensive, 44 euros and 99 cents in our country. So this can be different in your country, but always check the price before you continue the next steps. Now what we will do is go to the link in the video description where it says find game here and you will be redirected to this webpage. Now after that, search up the same game Rematch. And then we need to search for the Elite Edition. So we will scroll a little bit down and you will find out that the Rematch Elite Edition is available for just 24 euros and 22 cents compared to the price on Steam of 44 euros and 99 cents. This is a big difference and you can save yourself a lot of money while downloading this game. Now to continue, click on the game and make sure that this game can be activated in your country. We are from the Netherlands, so it's able to be activated in our country, but always make sure to check this before you order it. Now the next step is of course select the edition, Elite Edition, and here you can see we can order this game for just 25 euros instead of the price on Steam of 44 euros and 99 cents. Now what we will do, we will buy it and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a Steam activation key to activate this game and download it on Steam. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!